Welcome, friends. So today we are here with Mr. Pranav Kapadia of News for Use, and Mr. Pranav Kapadia is a founder and CEO of the company that is primarily working, and it has created a solution for a lot of bankers and in non-banking financial companies into the area of property-related risk management. So let us understand what are the key activities and what are the key solutions which Mr. Pranav Kapadia has to offer. So, Pranav, would you share some more insight about your
Right.
organization and what exactly the work which you are doing?
Thanks, Mitesh, for having me. What we do is basically digitizing information from public domain sources, which is currently available in unusable form, so to speak, and making it available to those people who are lenders, primarily lenders, who have an interest in the property which they have taken as a security. So basically what we do is we scan through multiple newspapers at various locations across Gujarat, identify public notices that contain information about property, put that up into a database in a very granular manner so that it can be searched, the information can be sliced and diced and checked from various ways, and put that into a cloud database which is accessible to our clients.
Oh,
So if I may, step back and tell you as to how I got into this. So it all actually started 35 years back when my father and my family were victims of a property fraud.
oh,
And when my father asked the lawyer, the advocate, as to how he could have prevented that, he was told that if you were keeping an eye on the public notices that are being printed, you would have been alerted in time to have avoided this situation. And so for 30 years, my father did that. A few years back, we sold that property and then bought a portfolio at various locations. And when my father asked me to do what he did for so many years, I was in full-time employment as the advisory head of video consulting in Gujarat, and I said I would not be able to do that. And so I started looking around, asking my lawyer and banker friends that if you would have a place or a vendor who would do this for a fee,
yes.
I'm willing to pay the fees.
Oh,
And all those people that I asked and had conversations with, the conversation typically ended with this thing: if you know somebody like this, please guide us to them also.
oh, wow.
And so when I decided to quit my job and start my own consulting, this was something that was on my mind also. And the more I studied it, the more I was convinced that there is a need not only for individuals like me,
Yes.
but even for lenders,
Wow.
the businesses that lend against property or who have an interest.
Oh,
And therefore, so in a nutshell, what we do is we gather information from public notices, all different kind of public notices where there's an information about a property
yes.
provided. We put that into a digital format, into a database, which is then searched and searchable by people, the clients.
Wow. Thank you, Pranav, for giving that introduction to us.